Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your QCY T5. As you can see in my case, that's information that they cannot communicate with my phone. They appear on the list, but unfortunately I cannot connect them. So how we can fix this problem? At the first, I can recommend you to go back from the pairing list and simply power off Bluetooth on your device. Next, just put them to the case, close this case, and open after like 5 seconds, and take them out of the case. You can keep it open, and in the most cases, they will be moved to the pairing mode automatically after you remove them. So it means that this indicator right here will start blinking red and green. But if you don't have them still on the list, I can recommend you to click and hold this arena right here and turn them off until indicator on the both earbuds turns to the red. So keep holding, and as you can see right now it's right here, and then they are turned off. So right now we are going to move them to the pairing mode. So click and hold this arena one more time until one of them, left or the right, start blinking green and red. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it, and release. As you can see, the left one is in the pairing mode. So right now click to pair new device, select your QCY T5, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.